In front of me is REALME C63, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, use this gear instead. Hit voice typing. Tap on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it and go back to your keyboard. Then tap on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!